Hey Sunny team, I'm your trainer Eloisa. Today we are working on our mini stepper. This is a walk and learn workout. Today we are working with SMART steps. Today we're gonna go over specifics. I will go over that after we warm up. Team, all I need from you is if you do not have the mini stepper with the bands, grab some weights because we are gonna do some bicep curls. If not, you are totally welcome to use your body weight. All right team, let's get started. Hey Sunny team, I'm your trainer Eloisa. We are working with that mini stepper. This is a learn and work. We are gonna start by inhaling that air in our lungs, exhaling, worrying about anything else. One more inhale, a little bit deeper. Let go of whatever's in your mind, drop those shoulders. Let's start our warm up with a lunge to a knee drive. You lunge back, knees straight, core engaged. We take it back. Over these 5 courses, you are gonna get your heart pumping and learn about SMART goals. SMART is an acronym. What does it stand for? Specific. Today we're gonna work with that specific. Measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. We are gonna go over this in each course. As you listen to that, you're gonna hold. Beautiful. Breathe. 2 and 1. We are switching legs. For today's workout, we are gonna do 2 blocks of 10 minutes each. We are gonna do some quick step, then some steady step. After that, we are gonna take a water break and do it all over again. We are gonna add that bicep curl. So like I mentioned in my intro, make sure if you do not have the stepper with the bands, you grab some weights. We are gonna hold this up. 2, 1. Use those calves, warm them up, breathe. What is your SMART goal? Guess what? Today is a great day to have a great day. How do we have a great day? Maybe we start with a good morning. Light bend in our knees. Yes, I'm that corny. Hands go behind my head. My hips go back. It is a hinge motion. You push through that. Breathe. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Really squeeze those glutes. Don't bend your knees. There is a light bend, but we're not squatting down. We are going back towards that wall, pushing through. We are gonna make our way to the mini stepper in 3, 2, and 1. We are gonna start with that quick step. That means fast. So when we start with specific goals, what are you trying to do? We're gonna start with that. Be specific. So a lot of people try and make goals. I'm gonna go, because this is a fitness class, why not do it? There's this goal, get in shape. What does that mean? It means something different for every single person. What does get in shape mean for you? We're gonna slow that down. Steady step it out. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. What does get in shape mean to you? I can't explain what it means to me because my in shape is always, if you've never taken my class, 1 pull-up so I can hold myself up if I'm on the side of the mountain. Get in shape to you means something completely different. This is why we define our goals when we get specific. We are gonna speed up, quick step. Learn and walk, learn and talk. Who knows what it's supposed to be called? What are you trying to do? You, not me. What are you trying to do? What? Answer that what. Be specific. What am I trying to do? Am I trying to do that 1 pull-up so I'm not hanging off that cliff in a horror movie? Or, just don't fall down. What are you trying to do? If it is fitness, you can also use this towards goals in life. What are you trying to do? We're gonna slow that down. As we slow down, I'm gonna ask you the second question. Who is part of your team? Let me tell you something, team. Sunny is part of your team. We have amazing content that you can like, subscribe, watch our videos. If your goal, get in shape. Now, what are you trying to do? That 1 pull, that's mine. That is my what. Who's part of your team? Sunny. Free videos on YouTube. Just like, subscribe. There's amazing trainers. If I'm not your cup of tea, that is totally fine. We're gonna speed it up. So yeah, who? We are your team. We are here for you all the time. So many videos, so many great trainers. That is who is part of your team. Keep that going. Write it down. Who else is part of your team? What family members are there to support you? If it is get in shape, if it's find a new job, if it's find a new apartment, who is there? Our quick step. We move fast. We move through those legs. We use our arms. We are gonna slow it down. As I said, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Slow it down. Now here is what I think is the most important. Why? Why are you trying to do this? When we get specific, why am I trying to get in shape this way? Why am I trying to do that one pull-up? It is 100% because I want to be able to pull myself up my whole life from a cliff. Also, it's the only way you can break into my apartment. You gotta jump up, you gotta pull yourself up, so why not? And we're speeding up on that. What is your why? Your why is probably 100% different than my why. And what I wanna say on your why is I recommend not your why being a scale number. Claire wrote an amazing blog on different ways you can track your progress if it is a fitness goal. Sometimes the scale lies a little bit. Maybe your why, find those other ways to track it, even though we are being specific. What is your why as you slow it down? Where is the place that what I am doing, where is the place that I'm going to do what I want to do? I really hope that place is on this mini stepper because this mini stepper is amazing. We're pushing through the legs. I'm tired already. I hope you're a little bit out of breath. Where is the place you're gonna accomplish your goal? Again, if it is get in shape, where is that place? It's in your home? Or are you gonna set aside a space just for you as we quick step? Are you gonna set aside this space, this area that you can use? And on that one, when will you do this? When will you work on your goal? Push through, we're speeding it up. When will you do it? That when, for me, the why is the most important. Why are you doing it? But that when, I like to set a schedule. If I do not work out personally before 10 a.m., I'm not gonna do it. Slow that down for me. When will you make that change in your life? Whether it is working out, when will you change that job if that job's not serving you? Hey, that job may be awesome. It might be serving you. When will you explore something new? When will you do it? Set that down, get specific. Those overgeneralized goals, they don't work. I've set them all the time. Right now, we are working with those specific steps. We're gonna quick step this out one more time. Yes, we are. And guess what? Then you get some water. We're gonna add those bicep curls. Hey, we are getting through this. Move through it. You're already learning. We're gonna go through it all over again. Same workout one more time because you've done it. You have 10 more seconds. Those 10 seconds, quick, 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 go, go, go. Yes, I can. My quads are burning, I promise you. Whew. I am right here with you. As I said, we are a team. We are in this together. We are slowing it down. You know what? Everybody needs a team member. Even in comic books, Batman and Robin, he has a team member. He did not want a team member. You have a team. You have either family, friends, people that support you, or us as a community that you can work out if that is your goal. Again, whatever your goal is, just set it right now. Slow it down. You can hop off if you want to. You can grab some water. You have a minute here to breathe into your body. Also, because I speak kind of fast, if you do have a notebook and you want to take notes down, that is cool. Maybe just me. If you want to write also in my comment section what specifics you are doing for yourself, I would love that. But on that note, take your water. We will be transitioning, doing the same thing all over again, but you will be doing bicep curls. As I mentioned, mine is the power stepper with the resistance band. If you don't have it, now is a perfect time to pause this video, go grab some weights if you want to, and if you don't have weights, right here is perfectly fine. We are gonna do those bicep curls. Yes, I could stand on the mini stepper, but I thought it'd be more fun. Just stand on the side of it. Breathe into your body. Remember, 30 seconds in, 30 seconds off. I can do this. I can set my goals. I can get specific. So As we do this, our quick step's just gonna be right here. We are gonna bicep curl on our steady step, just because it's a little bit slower. It helps us get steady. It makes sure our form is right. What are you trying to do? We're gonna go over it again. What? I've heard that sometimes you have to hear things a few times to understand them. What are you trying to do? Whatever that is, listen to your body, believe that you can do it. Slow it down. Bicep curl up and down. Slow this down, step into it. Feel into your body. Now, I said why is the most important, but I also believe believing in yourself. We can't just ask for new things. We have to expect them. So when I'm talking about what are you trying to do, expect that that is gonna happen because you are setting steps into action. Right now you're doing those action steps. As we speed it up, speed, 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 go, 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 go. Yes, you can. You already took the first step. You are taking action. When I mentioned, we try and set generalized goals, get in shape. You know what? It's not generalized. You showed up. You're here. You're doing it. You are doing the first step. Specific. Showed up on your mini stepper. Check. Now, who is going to be part of your team? I think you know the answer to it. Your Sunny team, if it's get in shape. If it's something else, you have other options. Whatever that goal is, specific. Who's going to be present? Who is part of your team? Who's going to make you stronger? As humans, we need a community. We need a team. We can't do it on our own. Slow it down, bicep curl. I think the quote goes, it takes a village to raise a baby, right? I could be wrong. If I'm wrong on that, please comment in that section for me as you curl up. It takes a village. You need a team beside you, whatever it is. And you know what? Sometimes your friends that you think are your friends aren't your team. They are not supporting you. Find the team. Also in that, find the team that challenges you. Being challenged is a great thing. Who? Who's part of your team? Who? Speed it up. Also, as I said that who, I have this owl outside my apartment. Reminds me daily. Who's going to do it if not you? Who's going to show up for you if not you? It goes who? I'm sure it's who, but who? Who's gonna show up? You are gonna show up for yourself. Number one, you are gonna make that time. Where is the place I'm going to make that time? Slow it down. Where is the space? Where is the space? Only because this is a workout class, I'm going to focus on that. Where is the space that I have time to be on my mini stepper? Just because I love this mini stepper. It kicks my butt all the time. Can we tell I'm out of breath? I am out of breath. Where can I set this up? Where can I do this? We are gonna speed that up again. Go, 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 all the way. And with that where, when? When do I have that time? Again, I know my body. My fiance says all the time, he's like, hey, you can go to the gym with me tonight at 5? And I'm like, yeah, 60%. By the time 5 p.m. comes around, it's 0%. When does it serve you to do it? Everybody is different. Find when it serves you. Now for this last one, as we steady step, I want you to do some bro curls. That means I want you to go faster on your curls, slow on the steps. Why do I call these bro? Because I've been watching football a lot, and you always see them, and they're like, bro, in the mirror. They are strong, they are powerful. You are strong, you are powerful. They set their when, they set their why. They know who is on their team. They know what they're doing. What are they doing? I don't know. Just try and score a touchdown somehow. Who knows? Keep that going. Those bro curls, still fast. I slowed it down, but keep those legs slow. Yes, you can. Specific goals. 2 and 1. We are gonna put our handlebars down if you have them. If not, totally cool, put those weights down. As we are safe and we get off the mini stepper, step back, bring it into your body. Today's a great day to have a great day. Morning workouts, if you're doing this at night, night is a great night to have a great night. Good mornings, hands go towards my head again. This time we are slowing it down. Stretch that out. Glutes towards the back wall. and up. Great day to set some goals. If not today, then when? If not you, then who? It's you. You can set these goals. And even though you have that why, that when, the where, the what, if it takes a little bit of time, that's totally cool. We are just working on tracking our progress because that helps us see if things are working for us or not. And sometimes we've got to pivot. You're doing one more. Holding it back. Breathe into your body. We are going to do a figure 4. Sometimes I need balance help on this one. Sit it down over your knee. Breathe into your body. If you do need that balance help, find a wall. Yeah, my imaginary wall right there. Really sit it down. Stretch out those hips. Breathe for 2 and 1. Switch those legs and sit it down. Balance, so important. That is also my why, because I want to be able to balance and sit down and squat my whole life. Breathe. You got this for 2 and 1. Sunny team, thank you so much for joining me for our first of 5 workouts. Next is measurable on our goals. All right, team, can't wait to see you again.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the Sunny Fit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach kettlebell strength, low impact cardio, and age well classes, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the Sunny Fit app yet, click the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you there.